Hello friend, welcome to Dorosin factory. Here is Dorosin office building. And there's a big display. You can see the factory introduction and the product introductions here. Two buildings here, and the first floor is warehouse. Warehouse 1 and warehouse 2. The second floor is automated production lines. The household humidifiers are produced here. In these automated lines, the productivity has increased rapidly. Any interest to dehumidifier, humidifier, and spot cooler? Call us.